Have you walked into a Dollar Tree lately? If you haven't, you are missing out on some of the absolute best deals available right now. Yes, the prices have gone up to $1.25, and there are definitely things you should completely avoid buying there. But there is a secret list of items that the big retail stores are desperately hoping you don't know about. I'm about to show you 15 things that smart seniors know to buy exclusively at Dollar Tree. We are talking name brand quality for literally pennies on the dollar. They would rather sell you a $6 bottle of cleaner or an $8 greeting card. But once you see what is on this list, you will never pay those inflated prices again. Make sure you stick around for number one. It is an item we all need as we get older, and buying it at the drugstore is one of the biggest wastes of money I have ever seen. Let us get right into the countdown. Number 15, expressions from Hallmark greeting cards. If you have bought a birthday or sympathy card at a regular drugstore lately, you know they can easily cost $6 or $7. It is completely outrageous for a piece of folded paper. Dollar Tree actually sells genuine Hallmark cards. They're usually 2 for $1 or $1.25 each for the slightly larger ones. They use similar quality paper stock and have beautiful sentiments. I always stock up on grandkids' birthday cards and blank thank you notes here. You save at least $5 per card. If you send 20 cards a year, that is $100 staying right in your retirement budget. Number 14, LED tap lights and night lights. As we get older, preventing falls in the middle of the night becomes incredibly important. But hardware stores charge $10 to $15 for simple hallway lights. Dollar Tree sells fantastic LED tap lights and plug-in night lights for just $1.25. They are basic, but they work beautifully. Put these in every hallway, along the stairs, and in your bathrooms. It provides a safe, guided path when you get up at 2 in the morning. For $5, you can light up your entire nighttime path instead of paying $40 at the home improvement store. Number 13, microfiber cleaning cloths. A good microfiber cloth replaces dozens of rolls of paper towels. But big box stores sell packs of them for $8 or $10. Dollar Tree sells thick, durable, machine washable microfiber cloths in packs of 2 or 3 for $1.25. Use them dry for dusting or damp for wiping down counters and mirrors. When they get dirty, just throw them in the wash. I used to spend $20 a month on paper towels. Since switching to these little cloths, a roll of paper towels lasts me 3 months. Number 12, 7-day pill organizers. Keeping track of daily vitamins and medications is essential. But the pharmacies mark up these plastic organizers to $5 or even $9. Dollar Tree, you can get the exact same 7-day weekly pill trays for $1.25. They even have the push-button release ones, which are wonderful if you have arthritis in your hands. They work just as perfectly as the pharmacy brands. You save about $6 right off the bat. Number 11, Supreme Tradition spices and seasonings. Have you looked at the spice aisle in the grocery store lately? A simple bottle of garlic powder can be $5. The markups are absolutely staggering. Dollar Tree sells a huge variety of spices for $1.25. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, and even steak rubs. The quality and flavor are fantastic. Always check the ounces to make sure you are getting a good deal by weight, but for basic cooking spices, it cannot be beaten. You save $3 to $4 on every single bottle you buy. Number 10, the Works Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Cleaning the bathroom is nobody's favorite chore, but we all have to do it. Walmart and Target charge $3 or $4 for brand name toilet cleaners. Dollar Tree sells the works for $1.25, and it is genuinely one of the most effective cleaners on the market for hard water lines and mineral deposits. Cuts right through that stubborn ring in the bowl without endless scrubbing. That is $2 to $3 saved on every bottle, and your bathroom sparkles just the same. Number 9, large print activity books. Keeping our minds sharp with crosswords, word searches, and Sudoku is so important. But bookstores charge $8 to $12 for these books. Dollar Tree has an entire section of thick, large print puzzle books for $1.25. They are incredibly easy on the eyes, and the puzzles are just as challenging. Keep one on my coffee table and do a few pages every morning with my tea. It is a wonderful, cheap way to exercise your brain. Number 8, gift bags and tissue paper. If you are buying gift bags at Target or the drugstore, you are throwing money out the window. A medium gift bag there can cost $5 easily. Dollar Tree has an enormous, beautiful selection of gift bags, wrapping paper, and tissue paper for $1.25. The quality is completely identical. The person receiving the gift will never know the difference, and you save $4 every time you wrap a present. We are halfway through the list, and I promise you, the best deals are still coming up. Number 7, clear acrylic storage and organization bins. If you watch those fancy home organization shows, you know people spend hundreds of dollars on clear plastic bins at specialty container stores. Dollar Tree sells the exact same style of clear acrylic trays, plastic bins, and even gold wire baskets for just $1.25. You can organize your entire pantry, your medicine cabinet, and your makeup drawer for under $10. It makes your home look so incredibly tidy, and you save an absolute fortune compared to the big box stores. Number 6, cooking concepts kitchen utensils. When you need a simple strainer, a slotted spoon, or a citrus squeezer, do not go to the department store and spend $9. Dollar Tree's kitchen aisle is a gold mine. Their stainless steel utensils are fantastic, especially because they have long handles that are great for deep soup pots. They even have sturdy bamboo cutting boards. You save $5 to $7 per utensil. I bought a Dollar Tree whisk 5 years ago as a temporary fix, and I am literally still using it today. It never broke. Number 5, coffee maker descaling liquid. If you have a Keurig or standard coffee pot, you know it gets clogged with hard water deposits. The brand name descaling solutions cost $10 to $12 a bottle. Dollar Tree sells a dedicated descaling liquid for $1.25. It uses the exact same active ingredients to dissolve the calcium buildup inside your machine. Run it through your coffee maker, flush it with water, and your coffee will taste fresh again. You save $9 in 3 minutes. Number 4, LA's totally awesome oxygen base cleaner. This is Dollar Tree's version of OxiClean. The name brand tubs of oxygen cleaner cost $8 to $13 at the grocery store. You get a tub of this at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It is equally effective at boosting your laundry, getting stains out of carpets, and deep cleaning grout. It relies on the exact same oxygen bubbling chemical reaction. Why pay $10 when you can pay $1? Number 3, first aid kit components. Building a first aid kit for your home or car at a pharmacy will easily cost you $30 to $40 if you buy everything separately. At Dollar Tree, you can buy bandages, gauze pads, medical tape, bacitracin ointment, hydrogen peroxide, and tweezers for $1.25 each. You can build a completely stocked, highly effective first aid kit for under $15. It is perfect for those unexpected grandkids' boo-boos. Always check the expiration dates, but the quality is perfectly fine for basic needs. Number 2, LA's totally awesome all-purpose cleaner. This is arguably the most famous item Dollar Tree sells. The name brands charge $4 to $6 for an all-purpose degreaser spray. This concentrate costs $1.25, and it is a miracle worker on grease, grime, and stovetops. But here is the real secret. Because it is concentrated, you are supposed to dilute it with water. One bottle from Dollar Tree will actually make 3 to 4 full spray bottles of cleaner. That means you are paying about 30 cents a bottle. It is an absolutely incredible value. Before we get to number 1, if you are enjoying these practical money-saving tips, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I share new tips just like these every single week, and I would love to have you here. Turn on those notifications so you never miss one. Now for number 1, the biggest money waster that seniors buy at the drugstore. Number 1, reading glasses. If you walk into a drugstore or a Walmart and look at their spinning rack of reading glasses, they are priced anywhere from $12 to $20 a pair. Dollar Tree sells reading glasses in every diopter strength, including blue light blocking ones for $1.25. Ophthalmologists have confirmed that these over-the-counter magnifiers are completely safe and will not damage your eyes. I used to constantly lose my expensive reading glasses and get so frustrated. Now I use the 5-room rule. I buy 5 pairs at Dollar Tree for about $6. I keep one in the kitchen, one in the bedroom, one in the living room, one in my purse, and one in the car. I am never without my glasses, and I paid half the price of a single pair from the drugstore. It is the ultimate senior life hack. Which of these Dollar Tree items are you going to pick up first? Did I miss an incredible deal that you absolutely swear by? Tell me in the comments down below. I read every single one of them. If you want more ways to cut your bills and save your retirement budget, YouTube thinks you are really going to enjoy this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.